Welcome to Revival Remodels. I'm Kyle, the founder, and this is my partner Megan. We've been remodeling homes our entire lives, and we're here to share our expert advice and money-saving tips on home improvement, remodeling, rental properties, and more.
Today we're going to take you on a tour of a kitchen remodel we recently completed right here in Truckee, California. We're up in northwest Lake Tahoe area. This was a beautiful mountain home built in the early 80s, and the kitchen really hadn't been touched since then. So we had quite a bit of work to do. Here's the before shots to show you what we started with. We had the classic outdated wood grain cabinetry, the classic 80s Tahoe tiled countertop look. We also had a gas range here that we wanted to convert over to an induction oven, which required all new wiring. We worked with a great cabinet company out of Reno, Nevada, came up with an all new design, and here you can see some of the visualizations of the new kitchen. This is on the first day of demo, tearing out all the cabinetry, pulling out the drywall where we had to run new wiring for all of the overhead lighting. We also ran new wiring up through the floor for the induction oven. And we had this overhead section that was trimmed out in wood that we really didn't like, and we came up with a brand new concept. Let's check it out. Here you can see the induction range, beautiful. This overhead lighting section that we hated. Check out what we did. Really beautiful, expanded the overhead, added 14 lights, I believe, in total to this kitchen. Feels much taller in there. Absolutely love all the hardware, the backsplash that the client chose. This is a porcelain glazed tile, and I really like it, as well as the grout choice compared to what was here before. We did toe kick lighting, which is beautiful, adds a glow to the bottom of the cabinetry, and when you have overhead lighting, recessed lighting, under cabinet lighting, as well as toe kick lighting, which we did here on this job, you can see it really brightens it up. The hardware here was a gold pull and a gold knob. Absolutely love those. The overhead lights were custom made. And you can see the drywall work there was just absolutely stunning compared to the wood trim that was around the overhead section before. Another project on this job was we installed the electric vehicle charger that the client wanted, as well as did an electrical panel upgrade. The old electrical panel was teeny tiny and could not handle any more load, especially with an electric vehicle charger. So we did a full electric panel upgrade to power all this new lighting, the new induction range, the electric vehicle charger, and then any new electrical appliances that the client wants to put in their house, like a hot tub or a heated floor or any kind of electric appliance. They are fully capable of adding on to their house through this new electric upgrade that we did. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys would like to see more content, make sure you subscribe. I'd appreciate it if you'd like our video, comment, or share it with a friend.